Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my channel once again. This video is about US index, gold, silver, euro and bitcoin. If you are new on my channel, do not forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have already subscribed, then please do not hesitate to click the bell icon. This is Dow Jones hourly chart. Currently Dow Jones is trading 34,603. It made low of 34,575 after making a high of 34,667. If you notice Dow Jones, it is trading in nearly 100 and 120 points since it's open today, and today is Friday, so I would advise you not to mess with the Dow Jones or any other commodity or index, and I do not want you to hold any position for Monday. So, but yes, I will be providing the resistance and support for all the US index, gold, silver and crude oil. So let's quickly find out the resistance of Dow Jones and what is the trend of Dow Jones right now. Dow Jones support stands at 34,520. Dow Jones resistance now at 34,710. Currently Dow Jones is trading in positive zone, but Dow Jones will enter in weak zone if Dow Jones break 34,520. Dow Jones need to break 520 and manage to sustain below for at least 30 to 60 minutes in order to return to negative. Currently it is in positive zone, so I would advise you not to go for sell. Let's move on to Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq hourly chart. Currently Nasdaq is trading 13,690. Nasdaq made high of 13,730 today. Low is 13,667. Nasdaq is also trading in around 70 to 80 points since morning. So let's quickly find out the resistance and support. Then we will assess the trend of Nasdaq. Nasdaq support stands at 13,630. Nasdaq resistance at 13,760. Currently Nasdaq is also in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. But if Nasdaq breaks 630 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect Nasdaq to test around 13,500, and even 13,200 is possible if Nasdaq breaks 630 today. Today is Friday, so if you are taking any buy or sell position, do not hold for Monday. Let's move on to S&P 500. This is S&P 500 chart. It is trading 42.13 after making a low of 42.10. Today's high at 42.21. If you notice, it looks like we have made a double top in S&P 500, but still neckline is not broken, and that is our support 42.06. So let's quickly find out resistance support. S&P 500 support stands at 42.05. That is a very major support, and resistance at S&P resistance at 42.26. Currently S&P is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. But if S&P break 42.05 and manage to sustain below that level, then S&P might crash up to 41.60 and even 4100. Let's move on to commodities. First we will see gold prices. Here we have gold chart. Currently gold prices are trading 1890 through 93 after making a low of 1882. If you have watched my morning video which I update in Hindi channel, you must be knowing that gold is trading in weak zone since morning, and that trend is still intact. So let's quickly find out the resistance and support if it change at all. Gold resistance now stands at $1,900. Gold support, however, now stands at $1,878. Trend is intact, and that is weak. But if gold break $1,900 and manage to sustain above that level, then gold might be entering another positive zone, and after 1900 we might be seeing around 1920 and 1950. Let's move on to silver. This is silver chart. Silver is trading 27.49 as of now. It made low of 27.40. In my morning video, I have given the support of 27.40. If you trade in gold silver, then you should be watching my both videos. Currently it is trading 27.49.50. Let's quickly find out the resistance and support, then we will assess the trend of the market. Silver resistance now stands at $27.80. Silver support now stands at $27.10. An immediate support in silver at 27.40. This is the same support I have given in morning, but assuming this support is broken now, even though it have not, assuming we will be breaking the support in couple of minutes or half an hour or 1 hour, after 27.40 the support will be 27.10, but before 27.40 we will be considering 27.40 as a major support. Let's hope it does not get beaten by this volatility. Trend is of course weak, so avoid going for buy. Let's move on to crude oil prices. After that we will see euro and Bitcoin. This is crude oil chart. Currently crude oil is trading 67.25 after making a high of 67.47. In my morning video itself I have suggested that crude oil is in positive zone and the trend is intact. So let's quickly find out the resistance and support. Crude oil support stands at $66.50. Crude oil resistance at $67.70. Currently crude oil is in positive zone as I have already mentioned earlier, so avoid going for sell. Crude oil will enter in weak zone only below 66.50. Let's move on to euro. After that we will see Bitcoin. This is euro chart. Currently euro is trading 21.42 after making a low of 21.32. In my morning video I have already cleared that euro is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy, and euro have crashed beautifully since morning. Currently it is trading just 10 pips away from the lowest point of the day. Let's quickly find out the resistance and support now, then we will assess the trend. Euro resistance now stands at 21.90. Euro support stands at 21.10. Currently euro is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Euro will turn positive only about 21.90, otherwise we might be seeing more lower levels in euro. Let's move on to Bitcoin, and if you are still watching the video without clicking the like button, please do not hesitate to click the like button. I really appreciate that, and it really helps my channel to grow. This is Bitcoin chart. Currently Bitcoin is trading 37,130. Let's quickly find out the resistance and support. Bitcoin already made low of 35,122. Before that I want to show you one thing. This is my morning post in community for my members. As you can see, I have suggested Bitcoin is weak. Trend was weak. I have suggested at 37,420. After that Bitcoin has made low of 35,122. So if you have acted on my community post, you must be fetching around $2,000 profit in Bitcoin. However, resistance and support have changed for Bitcoin now, so let's quickly find out the resistance and support now. If you want to see Bitcoin levels in community post, please click the join button. Bitcoin resistance now shifted at $38,400. Bitcoin support now stands at $34,900. Currently Bitcoin is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. If you find this video useful, do not forget to press the like button. If you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my number in description. If you have any query regarding trading, do not hesitate to leave your comment in comment section. I will really try to reply that. I will see you now next week Monday. Till then, take care. Bye bye.